This is segment 2 of July 25th, 2016's thunderstorm. It's like 5:15, 5:20 in the evening, and it looks like it's winding down somewhat. Looks like it's 7, 8 o'clock at night. Now it's picking up again. It's coming through the window. You know, that was a worthy flash. Hoping for a big clap. It's thundering like crazy. Guys, when you listen to this, turn your speakers high up.
Here we go. There. There.
Intensity of the storm, 1 to 10. I would say about a 4.
I'm about to scoop in the machines.
Did I say before I put it on night so it would pick up the lightning? Came from the northwest, dived southeast. Operator has been lighting up like a Christmas tree. Or a Hanukkah bush.
This is something meaningless. This is something meaningless. This one goes here and this one goes here.
I'm moving the camera to where you are, so could you please move?
Sure. I made a radio station.
Could you move this way, please?
Sure. But don't ruin my radio station. Wait, I need to make some buttons.
Like I said, previous videos, my window don't go open more than 4 inches. There is a screen, as you can see. Now the camera's getting wet. Looks like it's starting to wind down, unfortunately for me. Camera's getting hot. It needs to be charged. I have like 3 minutes and 40 seconds left. Started thundering, and there was no action of lightning, so I wasn't going to film until I actually saw some lightning, thunder, and rain together.
I got some buttons.
The sun was out, and then the sky turned pitch dark purple blue. So a funnel cloud. As you can see, Okay, it is still raining. The trees weren't blowing like last week.
It's gone by.
We're done.
Absolutely.
Not exactly. Turn your speakers high up.
It's so fake.
Good crop of thunder. Sorry for talking too much. I don't know how to dance, but right now, my heart is dancing. Or my soul. What do you got to say about this commotion and ruckus outside? Hello? He's watching and enjoying.
And put like boards
Now we're having some good stuff. Right when my camera's gonna die.
Boards on it. Hello.
He's so cute. And he sounds so cute. More lightning. It's picking up. I might even do a third video. I'll definitely not upload them now. I'll do it tomorrow. Or later. You're not going out. No umbrella. Definitely a third video coming. Very exciting, challenging, and cool.